Let's make the go-to burger. First, break down the tissues of the chicken. Add chopped ginger garlic. Add all the spices. Salt, chili powder, turmeric and black pepper. Add soya sauce. Add peri-peri sauce. Mix it well, then add chicken to marinate. Coat the chicken properly with sauce. Pour some oil and fry the marinated chicken. Cook on low heat until the marination sauce and oil soak into the chicken. Spread mayo and ketchup on buns, put chicken over it. Add a cheese slice, then add sausages over it. Again add chicken and put cheese slice over it. The go-to chicken burger is ready to eat. Enjoy!